Okay, today we are doing the GLM Blue Editing Book for 1 and 8, Practice 24, page 76. The first and the last lines are correct, so I'll just indicate that they are correct. Find 10 grammatical errors. So before we start, a quick scan of the passage tells you that it is a narrative text, and then you can read the first line to find what is the dominant tense of the text. So let's read. The schoolhouse was a simple one-room wooden structure. It had a traditional design with a tiny bell tower and window along each side of the room. So I saw that the first sentence is the verb is in past tense. So the dominant tense would be in past tense as well. All right, so we can write that past tense. Okay, so it had if you don't know what this particular schoolhouse looked like, I put a picture here. Okay, so the schoolhouse had a tiny bell tower and window along each side of the room. So as you can see, there are 5 windows here, and the word here, window, okay, is not in plural form. So this is an error, and it should be in plural form. Windows. Okay, the plural form. Okay, let's continue. As Emily watched, a little girl stepped out of the door and pulling the bell rope. So I notice here, okay, the girl stepped out of the door and pulling, okay, that is inaccurate. It should be the same word form. So it should be pulled. Okay, so that should be past tense. Next, the tiny sound acted like a drain. It emptied the schoolyard. Okay, so tiny sound acted like a drain, emptied the schoolyard, correct. Sucked and swirling the children right in the door of the building. Okay, I noticed that there are 2 words here that are of different form. Okay, sucked, swirling. So which one is the error? So the bell, okay, after the bell rang, okay, emptied the schoolyard. Okay, so the children, all of them are going in the door of the little building. So going is like continuous tense. So this tells me that swirling is the correct one. Okay, sucked is the inaccurate one. Okay, so should be also in ing form. Okay, continuous form. Sucking. Ing form. Okay, so it's continuous tense. Okay, she emerged in a room crowded with neat rows. Okay, this seems correct. Room crowded with neat rows of benches seems correct. So what should be error? Okay, let's read again, okay? Go back to the sentence in front. He emptied the schoolyard, sucking and swirling the children right in the door of the little building. In the door? What, the children are in the door? It sounds very weird. So this preposition should be wrong. So it should be into the door. Okay, into the door. So the correct preposition is into. Every seat has room enough for 2 children, with a shared tabletop extending from the seat just ahead. Okay, here I noticed that this is not in past tense. So the error is obviously a tense error. So Past tense form of has is had. Okay, so that's past tense. Okay, across the front of the room stretch a square of black painted boards, and in the back corner, close to where she stands, a coal heater squatted beneath a flue that rises through the ceiling. So here, this very long sentence, I noticed that this line, okay, this is not in past tense. I noticed that this is not in past tense. And I also noticed that this is not in past tense. So, all these words that I circled, the errors, okay, they should be in past tense form. So past tense form of stretch is stretched. R-T-C-H-E-D. So past tense. Okay. Next. Okay, stand. Past tense form of it, stood. S-T-O-O-D. Okay, past tense. Rise. Past tense form, rose. R-O-S-E. Should be in past tense. Okay, a man sat. Okay, correct. Writing at the desk on the far side of the room. He is young. Okay, that should be in past tense as well. And capable, unperturbed by the rabble, like the noise flooded in around him. As Emily watched, he rapped. Okay, rapped means knocked once on the table with a wooden rod, and silence washed over the room like soft rain. So, like soft rain is a simile. Okay. Is the past tense form of it is was. Okay, so that should be in past tense as well. Continue. Okay. The verbal flood. It should be flood or flooding. Think about it. Should be flood or flooding. Okay, because the students, okay, are coming in to the room. So I said coming in, that is in continuous tense. So it should be, the flood should be in continuous tense. Flooding, F-L-O-O-D-I-N-G, continuous tense. All right. So that is how you do practice.